Proximity sensor is a robust and reliable sensor designed to detect metallic objects without physical contact by utilizing the principles of induction. Inductive proximity sensors consist of an induction loop that creates a magnetic field as electric current flows through it. When a metallic object enters this field, the inductance within the loop increases, leading to a change in current flow. This fluctuation is detected by the sensor's circuitry, which can then trigger an external action or alert. An inductive proximity sensor is a non-contact electronic sensor used to detect the presence of metallic objects. It works on the principle of induction, where a loop of wire generates a magnetic field, which changes in the presence of a metallic object. When a metal object enters this field, the sensor's internal current increases due to the metal's inductance, triggering a response. These sensors are valued for their durability, long service life, and lack of direct contact with the objects they detect, reducing wear and tear. They are widely utilized in various industrial applications for position sensing, speed detection, and level control where precision and reliability are paramount. Inductive proximity sensors are key components in automation and manufacturing settings, where their role is to ensure processes are seamless and to prevent potential equipment failures or accidents caused by incorrect metal object placement.